And we have motion. You see Dragon physically separating from the International Space Station, 1:32 a.m. Central Time. The International Space Station, 253 statute miles over Sudan.
Houston Station, space ground to ISS thrusters enabled.
Copy. So there you can see on your screen visual confirmation. What a gorgeous shot. Dragon has undocked from the International Space Station, and we are beginning the departure.
And ready to begin its next steps towards flying towards the International Space Station.
Houston Station.
Copy.
And David St. Jacques, pitch, yaw, approach, speeds, everything like that are inside of parameters as expected.
International Space Station and back towards Earth.
Does its final trunk jettison before that deorbit burn. So the fourth and